All right, guys, I'm going to try to sound as energetic as possible. My allergies are all over the place. A friend of mine reached out to me and she is having a baby in 3 weeks. Yes, 3 weeks. So she has a color palette in mind already. However, we need to get moving. So time is running short, and we're just going to pretty much move at a very quick pace. So all we have now are ideas, in other words, and a baby crib. That's what we have right now. So she has presented to me two colors. I want orange and I want yellow. Well, you know me. I said, okay, well, we need a third color. We need a third color. So she said green. I said, okay, that's a great color. So the shade of green that I have selected is, of course, this gorgeous, gorgeous light teal. I love it. It's from the cool side of the color wheel, and it will definitely play well with that orange and yellow. And it's just going to be a very fun room for a baby, but not an overstimulating color because we've added a calming, cool teal color. All right, so we look at our floor, it is what it is, and then we add that color teal onto the walls. That's our calming color, okay? So that's going to be a great backdrop for those two other vibrant colors, the orange and the yellow. Next, continuing to work with the wall because of those two colors being so vibrant, how will they play off of that? Quite well. I added a sort of a Roman shade, which is a faux Roman shade, to the window. With a baby, you don't want to have a whole lot of stuff hanging around on the floor because, you know, at one point when they start crawling, they're going to pull everything down anyway. And so I added also these nice little decals that I found on Amazon. I love them. Not exactly in this formation. We can, stick them in different shapes, but I love them. I love that play on the yellow on the wall around the crib area. The baby will love looking at that yellow. And I'm not a fan of these decals with words on the wall. I know everyone gives them a bad rep, but I could not resist adding this because it is indeed a miracle baby. So I just kind of created this decal and put it in the middle. And I think that she will like that as well. The name Miracle, well, that's coming from me because I say miracle baby and it can be spelled with a Y or an I. So I'm not sure if this is something she'll even embrace, but I like the play on the white in the middle, just pulling that out because that'll probably be the trim around the baseboard and crown molding. Got it? So continuing on with the next slide. So we now move down to the floor. I saw this rug. It was a real good deal, around $69, yellow and oval. It also comes in round. Love that. Love that. Perfect color for the floor. So the eye doesn't get so crazy. It just sees a balance of color. Next, we add in the crib. I love this crib with the custom color. Now she has a crib already. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, and she did say it was dark stained. So when you add in the color onto the crib, now there is a shade of green here. Yeah, you see that. So that's still playing off the yellow. So you're looking at various shades and playing off the green. I love this together. And it's still a fun room already, but it doesn't look too clownish. It does not. Well, that's my opinion. The next thing we do, we start to add in storage. I saw these amazing collapsible cubes and I love them in orange and it'll be easy to pull in and out. And of course, we'll get a similar stain to contain these cubes. And I know that she's working hard to also find changing stations. I have something here that I'll be able to share with her as well. But again, a similar stain. Now, if she went with white furniture, that would work in this space as well. But the stains that may be a little bit different in color, that'll still work as well because we have all of these beautiful colors. And then also taking from the crib with all of those different prints and patterns, taking that onto the window, I love that. We could just do one big piece based upon what fabric that we find for a Roman shade. That would be perfect. The baby changing pad is really, it looks like it's a little yellow, but it's actually a yellow and white gingham. And that's fine too, because the gingham is just so small. And of course, come on, Diaper Genie. I found one in yellow. I thought that'd be really, really cute if that's something that she wants to get. But again, playing off of the color in the room. And of course, we have to have a rocking chair. This is one of those Nursery glider rockers. I love this. However, the fabric I'm not a fan of. Babies are going to throw up. There's going to be accidents. So I would like to have something that she can just wipe. If she has a standard rocking chair, that is absolutely fine. We'll just have to pat it so that the baby's head and her back is supported. And then, of course, I saw this baby blanket, yes, in orange, and I thought it would just be absolutely adorable. And I noticed that all these shades are just playing off of each other's tones and tints, mixing together, which makes the room fun, just staying in the family of that color. And I just think it's going to be a fun environment. My allergies are like clogging me up, and I'm really trying to make sure that I speak well during this recording. I'm trying my best, guys. And then next we add in some toys. And guys, I'm telling you, I was sourcing. This is just a coincidence to see that turtle in those colors. Just a coincidence. I did not plan this. And then seeing that pillow on the floor, just a nice cushy daisy pillow that's on Etsy, just really, really fun. And of course, last but not least, we add in baby. And I just thought this room was so fun. I'm staying up late to finish out this recording because I can't wait to share this with her tomorrow. So I want you guys to see it. Give me some feedback. Don't you think this is a fun baby room and just comforting at the same time? Of course, there are 3 other walls that we can hang pictures, but not too much to, have the walls look so busy because we are playing with a lot of color. But I just love it. So I hope you do too. And if this gives you some ideas about playing with pops of colors in a baby room, let me know. And I hope you enjoy it. And I hope to have plenty more of these things coming your way.
Thank you so much for stopping by. And as always, stay in prayer and stay creative.